man, was it gold down?
What's
Look it clean, brother.
Boy, you better watch back. Don't do that. Don't do that for real.
Man, you acting different, bro.
Different? No, I'm not acting different. My tax bracket different, bro. That's all, man.
What you doing like that?
What you mean? What you mean? You know what I mean?
You look clean, bro. I see your chain. Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to look clean, and unfortunately, you don't. I mean, you looking like a SoundCloud rapper, and I'm dressed to impress over here.
Yeah, man. Put me on, man. What you
That's
doing?
your problem, man. Put you on what, man? What you acting like, man? What you acting like I'm around here scamming or something, bro? You really want to know what I do, man?
Yeah.
Since you're my fam, I'm gonna tell you. Come on, I don't want to be loud. Granny!
Damn, man, why you yelling? You could just say that.
Yeah, you're right. But I felt it was more impactful that way. But anyways, bro, credit. My credit used to be real low, like low in the early afternoon type.
What do you mean?
That mean it was around 3 something. But then I started messing with this cougar named Miss Geraldine. And she put me as an authorized user on her line. Credit score went through the roof. Then Miss Geraldine found out I was messing with her granddaughter and then dropped me. Then my credit score dropped. But I looked up and found out about Sturgis Credit Repair. Sturgis Credit Repair, man, that's like the best thing I could have ever stumbled across, you hear me? Man, my credit repair dude, he got my stuff higher than it was at first. It's like it's on some Zaza or something. It's that high, you hear me? It's just all over. Credit everywhere. Just credit. It's hot. It's like 9 something right now. 9, probably like 1200. Something like that.
Man, how I get on?
You just gotta hit them up, man. Just hit them up, Sturgis Credit Repair, and just look, check it out. So between me and you, first one free. And they like rank top 7 credit repair business in the whole area, son. It's like, I'm telling you, they legit, son.
How much they gave you?
I mean, I don't kiss and tell, but I got back 100 racks, son. A fucking 100 racks. Can't beat that. 100 bands, son.
What you did with it?
What I did with it now? What you see? I blew a bag. I spent 5 of them all just now. The suit right here, this ensemble, this was 35,000, and then this chain, this piece right here, was 55 bands. Then I spent like 3,000 in heroes. I lost that tripping. So yeah. Oh, and I paid my car note.
Damn, you almost out, huh?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, Mr. Wise, what you would have done with yours, huh, Mr. Wise guy?
I mean, shit, I would have invested in some houses, flipping, and some real estate. You know, that's what the money at. That's what the money at.
Damn, I know what something else would have done with that bread first. Well, you can't be perfect. I mean, next time I get in the bag, Oh, Sturgis Credit Repair just got me up 50 more points. I'm about to go buy me a Haitian bullfrog off Amazon. You be cool though. Money, 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 money.